All right, so the next thing we're going to do is look at three-dimensional figures. This said, which could represent the front view of this figure. So we're just looking for the front view. If you notice, there's two blues side by side on the bottom, and then there would be two green above this one right here if we're looking for the front view. So there's two blues and two greens. That would be right there. Okay, you just have to be careful to look at where they've labeled the front view. All right, now let's look at this one. What three-dimensional figure could be represented by these three views? So we have a front view, a left view, and a top view. So let's see if I can get them all on the screen. I can't, so let's try A and B first. The front views work for A and B. The left view would be for up, 1 over. That works. It would not work for this. Top view, 3 and 1 out. That also works for A. B is out. Let's see. C will not work because there's not one coming out. And then D, it would work for the top view, but it would not work for the left view because that one coming out is in the wrong place. Okay, so that's definitely A. So let's look at the next ones. If you want to look one more time, I can show you like this. The front view is here. It's exactly the same. The left view would be 4 with 1 out, which is there. And the top view would be 3 with 1 out, which is there. Okay. All right, here, let's see what this says. It says, here are 3 different views of a three-dimensional figure constructed from cubes. Which of the following could be the figure? So let's see if we can get it where we can see it. All right, top. 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. Let's see if that looks the same. It's hard to tell. There's 4 boxes there, 1 on the edge and then 1 attached to it. That's not the way that it is. There's 4 boxes here, 1 on the edge, 1 attached to it. That's not B either. So let's look at C. 4, 1 on the end, 1 attached. That works. 4, 1 on the end, but that is not attached. So I think it's got to be C, but let's make sure. The front would be 6 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. On the side would be 4 with 1 coming out the bottom. It is definitely C. Okay, let's look here. Here are 3 different views of a three-dimensional figure constructed from cubes. Top, front, and side. So let's see if we can figure. Front certainly matches. It's got all 9. This front matches. It's got all 9. But the top view matches. It's got 6. Side view, 3 and 1 matches. This one does not. So at this point, I think it's A, but let's look at the other 2 just to see. Top view is 6. That works for both of those. Front view is 9. The C is actually 12. And D is definitely not 9. So A is definitely the answer there. All right, looks like the next thing we're going to do is scatter plots.